Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to be building the bed in our day van. So today we are going to be trying to build the bed in the back of the day van. I've already made some mattress type things for the bed. I made them off camera because I wasn't quite sure how they were going to turn out. Basically, I used some memory foam mattress. I just cut it up into the desired size that I needed, and then I put on the back of a board, and then I bought some material to try and match a few of the features inside the back of the van, and I've just stapled to this board. So I made sure it was nice and tight, and then just stapled it to the board, and it's actually given it a really good finish. So first of all, I need to measure in the back of the van. I'm going to make the frame and then put it into the van after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go measure up now, and then we'll get cracking. Right, so I've now cut all the sections for the main part of the base. That's going to be the actual main section where the second section will then slide off of. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to put that section together, put it in the van, and then I can work on the second section. So that's the main section of the bed now completed. I was just checking to see whether the mattress that I've made fits, and it does. It looks good. I still need to add slats, and it's going to be a little bit higher because obviously the sliding section will have to now sit proud on top of that, but you'll see what I mean when I put it all together. But with the mattress on, it's absolutely perfect. Right, let's crack on with the second one. Right, so that's the frame now complete, and it slides very nicely. The only thing I need to do now is attach some slats, and I'm going to have to overlap them so that one set of slats goes between this panel, and then this panel and this panel, so that when I slide it backwards and forwards, they're interlocking and they won't touch, and it'll be perfect. So for the slats on the bed, I'm going to be using these reclaimed pallets. As you can see, I've already made a start, and here is what they look like on the bed. I love the rustic feel, and I'm hopefully going to try and do that on the front of the bed as well. So that is the bed frame done. As you can see, I finished off the slats using the reclaimed pallets, and I think you'll agree the finish is really good. Not that you're going to see it anyway, because once the mattresses are on top, it's completely covered. Unfortunately, the weather is getting really bad. We've got Storm Dennis coming in again now.